Good morning. My name is Carmen Juliet Munoz, and this time I want to present you this product. The Luna Mini 2 Facial Cleanser. This is an electrical device for facial cleansing, non-abrasive, created with surgical silicone and double wrap surface that, in contact with water and soap on the skin, removes traces of makeup and performs a very superficial exfoliation. This silicone brush has a round shape, and its lower part it has the power button. It has 8 speeds that are controlled with 2 buttons at the bottom, one to minimize and another to maximize the speed, and has 3 areas to do a cleaning suitable for any type of skin. The thinnest and softest filaments are for normal and sensitive skin. At the tip are thicker bristles for greater intensity and precision. The entire back surface is covered with thicker filaments for the most oily and resistant skin, which allows for deep cleansing while vibrations improve facial circulation. Personally, I use this product in the morning and at night during 2 minutes. I hope you like this product and thanks for watching. Bye bye.